Good evening. Here are the top 5 breaking news stories across the United States today, March 1st, 2026. Breaking tonight.
The United States and Israel have launched coordinated military strikes on Iran. According to early reports, major strategic sites were targeted in what officials are calling a decisive operation. Tensions across the Middle East are rising rapidly as world leaders call for restraint. This marks one of the most serious escalations in the region in recent years. We continue to monitor developments as this story unfolds. Iran has responded with missile and drone attacks targeting U.S. military positions in the region. Explosions were reported near several strategic locations as defense systems activated. Officials say many threats were intercepted, but the situation remains tense. Global markets are reacting as fears of wider conflict grow. In Washington, lawmakers are divided over the military action. Some members of Congress are demanding clarification on presidential war powers, while others defend the move as necessary for national security. Debate is expected to intensify in the coming days. Starting March 7th, changes are coming to the Social Security claims process. Officials say the update aims to improve efficiency, but some beneficiaries may experience delays during the transition. Citizens are encouraged to check official updates before filing new claims. The CDC has postponed its upcoming vaccine advisory meeting. Health experts say discussions on vaccine guidance remain critical as public health policies continue evolving. Officials confirm a new meeting date will be announced soon.